You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this popular character from Genshin Impact. If you want to learn more confusing names from the game and how to say them correctly, all of them, stay tuned. Yes, it's a name from Nahuatl, which is Aztec essentially, and it's pronounced Xilonen. Yes, I've heard a lot of different videos in pronunciation saying Xilonen or Xilonen or Xilonen. No, it's Xilonen, Xilonen, with a stress on the second syllable. It's easy once you know Xilonen, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.